us up, man. We got these killer steel smoothies from Detroit Steel. I waited a long time for them, but I think it's well worth it. Thanks to the people at Western Powdercoating. They did a killer bronze satin finish for us. So, Victor, we are getting close, buddy. Killing it.
It's about time to go drive this damn thing around.
That's it. Rock and roll.
Alright, sorry I gotta kind of scream over the generator, but this is Cooper with Quick Tires. He's our wheel and tire mounter, balancer, you name it. He brings this trailer right to you, so none of our cars have to leave the shop to get wheels and tire jobs done on them. He's an awesome guy. Hit him up for any of your tire services, and remember, he comes to you. Guys, as you just heard, this thing is rowdy as but that's because it's open headers right now. We're taking it to exhaust next week. The suspension's dialed in, wheels and tires are on. We are basically finished up with it. Kenny did a little small burnout just to test and make sure everything was working, but we'll check up on this thing next week once we got an exhaust. We have an awesome photo shoot and video coming for you guys here soon, so check back in next week.